visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid ha. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Now take what's only yours. And please believe in the divine timing dahil whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. I'm seeing with the Seven of Cups, bakit parang feeling natin is dapat meron tayong mga choices eh. Pwede tayong gumawa ng mga bagay, kaso mas pinili nating mag-focus, no? Dito sa ating relationship. Kung bibigyan ng chance, actually may mga options tayo. Mas pinili siguro natin itong tao, mas pinili natin itong situation na ito over, above anything. Where's the Devil card? I don't know kung sino ang matigas ang ulo. Ikaw ba, your person, or parang parehas kayo? Actually, someone here wants to prove something. It could be proving that, proving someone else is wrong, or proving that, your person is wrong. One thing is for sure, there's actually a pointing fingers happening in here. Again, you can switch the energies ha. Pwedeng ikaw itong binabasahan ko, pwede naman din yung person mo. What I am reading here is the dynamic, alright? Now, with the Nine of Swords. So, sino ba dapat ang sisihin dito? Kasi ngayon medyo parang feeling natin yung heart natin is medyo balisa. Balisa kasi hindi okay yung nangyayari, hindi pabor sa atin yung nangyayari. We are having sleepless nights. Siguro it is also because of what more can we do not to actually work the connection, or probably your person also wanting to, baka naman ikaw yung matigas ng ulo from your person's point of view. Parang gusto niya yata na ikaw ang sumunod sa kanya kasi the Devil card is here. So, which means that there could be some sort of manipulations, narcissistic behavior, vices, that's kind of like involved in here. But then again, siguro nandito tayo, sabihin natin sa superhero syndrome. Alam mo nyo ba yon? Superhero syndrome is parang feeling mo ikaw yung knight in shining armor, no? You're saving someone from a miserable life. So you're saving a damsel in distress. So nandito ka to save someone else's life. Baka kasi napapansin mo itong person na ito, pag wala ka is talagang masisira ang buhay. Parang feeling natin is itong person na ito is mawawala sa sirkulasyon, magiging pariwara. So you're here to be the guardian angel, kumbaga, no? I will be the mom, the best friend. I will be the superhero. Yeah, that's the superhero kind of thing. So medyo stress tayo ngayon. Parang gusto mo bang patunayan na you're not going to live without me? With the Seven of Swords and the Nine of Wands. I think that there are actually writings on the walls. We're trying to blind ourselves that things can go better. I'm not saying that you you can't. You actually did everything that you can, no? Pero kahit sa ang larangan merong limitations, eh, 'di ba? Merong mga rules, merong mga kumbaga boundaries, and it felt like si person kasi, how can you save someone if parang ayaw magpa-save ni person, 'di ba? Tinutulungan mo yung taong ayaw magpatulong. So, ang lumalabas dito ikaw pa masama, ang lumalabas nagiging pakialamera ka pa, ang lumalabas, eh, atribida, atribido 'no, intrometido, so ganyan. Masakit, yes, pero yun yung nararamdaman at ipinaparamdam ni person. With the Six of Pentacles, it felt like before ayos naman 'no, Six of Pentacles is a transaction. Meron tayo ditong, um, give and take 'no, yeah, transaction, give and take. So, paano nangyaring nag-jump off sa ganitong naging parang, um parang naging selfish si person. Naku, wag sana lumabas ang star dito 'no, the star. The Lovers. I think that hindi rin tayo makabitaw dito sa relationship na ito. It is because that you feel like this is some sort of destiny, some sort of, a relationship that's meant to be. Um, well, on that point, yes, your gut feeling is correct. I think that you have some soul, contract with this person. Um, that person or your person might be your twin flame connection. And with the Knight of Cups, I feel like kaya, no? Kaso, masyado nating minamadali. So, sinasabi dito ni universe na kaya mo naman. Good thing. Kasi parang ang nakikita ko dito, nung una, kaya ganito yung feeling natin na parang walang nangyayari. It is because we want that specific situation to happen on our time, no? But then again, parang sinasabi ni universe, kung talagang gusto mong mangyari ito, you must stretch your patience, no? Dadating din sa part na mangyayari yung gusto mo, um, magsusurrender sa'yo si person, um, makikipag-cooperate sa'yo si person, but not on the time frame, no? Na parang you want that to happen right here, right now. With the Nine of Cups, so ito yung sinasabi natin, wish will be fulfilled, habaan pa natin yung konting pasensya, no? Kung nakatagal nga tayo ng ganito kahaba, how much more yung konti na lang, no? With the Emperor, kasi may katigasan talaga ang ulo ni person. So that's given, no? Merong mga the more that your person feels like they are being dictated, kasi yun yung pumapasok sa isip nila, Emperor, no? I don't want to be dictated. I'm higher than a king. I'm the king of the world. I am Leonardo DiCaprio. I am the, you know, I can do things by my own. Ayan. So, masyadong malakas ang kanilang self-esteem, no? With the Page of Swords, eto talaga yung gusto nating mangyari, which I feel like it will be given. Page of Swords is actually a contract. Page of Swords is actually something that both of you agreed on. So, dadating. It just so happened not on the time frame na gusto mo, and the Three of Swords in here. The foreseeable outcome with the Four of Wands and the Five of Swords. If you're actually wishing for marriage, I feel like hindi to aabot ng marriage part. Pero kung tingin mo, um, hindi ko sinasabing hindi kayo cohabitation, yes, it might happen, so living in together, pero not to a point of marriage. So dadating yung part na gano'n. Merong konting frustrations dito sa relationship na ito, pero mangyayari yung pagsasama, wala lang ang, um wala din yung holy matrimony. It felt like it becomes a modern sort of relationship wherein cohabitations become a norm. I'm not saying that that is not good. no? Meron kasi ding mga practical and it's kind of work, no? Someone says, marriage is just a paper, no? Someone said that marriage is a sanctity of holy matrimony. Walang right or wrong. Ang pinakamaganda dun is nagsasama kayo, no? Ang pinakamaganda dun is merong kayong agreement with each other na both of you are going to stay in the connection, both of you are going to flourish. Meron nga mga kasal na, you know, di naman maayos yung pagsasama. I guess that this is more of practicality kind of thing, pero habaan lang ang konting pasensya, no? So this is your reading. Kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong mga personal questions, there's actually a description. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of your reading, of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwedeng lumabas din ang inyong zodiac sign. I am seeing Libra, Leo, Gemini, Pisces, Aries, Aquarius. Libra is very dominant, no? Did I just mention Pisces? Yes, Scorpio. Sagittarius, Gemini is also dominant. Capricorn is here. I'm seeing Cancer. I'm seeing Taurus and Virgo. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.